Tired of scrolling through endless, outdated contacts in Aisensy and ready to declutter your messaging game? First, head over to your Aisensy dashboard. You'll find the Contacts section. On the left-hand side menu, give it a click. That's where all the magic happens. Alright, now you're looking at your contact list. Scroll through until you find the specific contact you want to remove. Once you've located the contact, click on it to open their profile. Inside the contact's profile, look for the Delete button. It's usually located at the top right or bottom left corner of the screen. The location can sometimes vary depending on the Aisensy update, but it will be obvious. Clicking Delete will trigger a confirmation pop-up. This is Aisensy double-checking that you really want to say goodbye to this contact. Read the prompt carefully to ensure you're deleting the correct person. If you're certain, click on the Confirm or Delete button within the pop-up, and just like that, they're gone. The contact will be instantly removed from your Aisensy account. You can now manage a cleaner and more targeted contact list. And that's all there is to it. By deleting individual contacts in Aisensy, you're ensuring your data stays accurate and your messaging campaigns are more effective. For more Aisensy tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel.